tano mukaga bamwita Fred Byamukama minister beri Bunyoro katwali yakola
Kama a demonstration farm. My name is Fred Byamukama. I'm a member of parliament of Bugangezi West constituency, Kakumiro district. We are now at our 4-acre demonstration farm. The land we have here is approximately 4 acres. This is a farm we started 2 years back here, 2.5 years back. And on this farm, we have a half acre of pineapple, has 6 cows for 0 grazing. We have poultry, about 25,000 birds, but only 11,000 are giving us eggs. And we have 1 acre of grass. We have piggery, those are very many. And 1 acre of coffee mixed with banana. Where we are, this is a 4-acre model farm. I did this activity to teach my voters, to lead by example, so that my voters can learn what measure the president tells the public. This is an initiative I learned from the president sometime back when he sent me to learn to Kaumu, to Kisozi. I copied what I copied, this is what I came up with. And you will see as we move, or that side, this side, that's my 4-acre model farm. The house as well. I don't sleep here, but if I was sleep here, the house as well is seated on this 4-acre model farm. When you look at poultry, out of the 25,000 birds, it's only 11,000 giving me eggs. Others are soon giving me, and I get 302 trays per day minimally, because 11,000 birds are supposed to give me 366 trays. But because of the feeding method of deep litter, I don't get all the eggs. I get 302 trays per day minimally. Then I sell in a month, you can get a net profit of 55 million. Because you get 108 million, but you can't get all that. You have to buy feeds, pay workers, pay electricity, remain with 55 million.
Chetuna bude kuruliza obujulizi bwa Byamukama bonna naye mulabye kubiri omusanvu byetwabagamba ye asimbye emmwanyi yikemu ebibala ebitooke ente z'amata z'omu kiyumba embizi tazitunda azigaba bugabi n'amagi enkoko z'amagi tetulina budda kuwuliriza ekibalo kyonna naye mu magi gokka buli lunaku atunda trays 302 z'amagi omwezi afuna obukadde 108 mu magi gokka kati bwajja akozesa asigaza obukadde 55 amagoba mu magi gokka omwaka ezo zi miliyoni nga 7 mu magi n'olwekyo mugaga nnyo kati n'olwekyo eryo ettafaali eryokusatu NRM lyateeka ku Uganda, ku nyumba ya Uganda, okusomesa abantu n'okubayamba kubanga ng'emmwanyi tuludde tugaba endokwa nga wano mu Lwengo ndaba wano twagaba endokwa z'emmwanyi emitwalo Rwenda kumbe akakadde ka endokwa z'emmwanyi emicungwa emitwalo 28 emiyembe emitwalo 48 n'olwekyo bali abawulirize okuwabula kwaffe bagaga kati nga bya mukama bwe mulaba. Ono n'omusajja we Karamoja yinza kubalaga omusajja we Karamoja mulabe.
Korea Dick Ogira. I am a model farmer in Abim district. My village here is called Arangetoy West. Arangetoy Parish, Abuk Town Council, Abim district in Karamoja. The mango trees you are seeing here were given to me by the president through Operation Wealth Creation. I received 200 mango seedlings and I planted all, and they're all doing well. Apart from this venture, I got money from PDM last year. I got 880,000. And I used 800,000 for buying 10 goats. And the goats are there. They have multiplied. They are now 16. Part of the money of PDM I used for buying cassava stems. Through that money, I've managed to plant 2 acres of cassava. They are now doing well. The first acre I intend to harvest next year in January. Then for the mangoes, you are seeing, I started harvesting last year in 2023. The first harvest, I got 6 million. That was in June. Then second harvest in November, I got another 6 million. So last year, from these mangoes, I got 12 million shillings. I've been selling to the people around. Actually, Soroti Fruit Factory has booked this mango. They want me to take these mangoes tomorrow, 2025, to the factory. Actually, I've been selling locally. I've been selling 1 at 500 shillings, 2 1,000, and people are buying. These mangoes are very good. The mangoes trees you are seeing here are giving me money, a lot of money. And I want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Kaguta Museveni, for coming up with the idea of Operation Wealth Creation in the country. This is money. I am not going to suffer. My children will not suffer because of this wealth. I call it wealth now. I always harvest. I don't harvest mango. I harvest money, not mangoes. So I want to thank our president so much. And next year, if all goes well, I expect to get 18 million first harvest. And then second harvest, I also expect to get 18 million next year, 2025. So altogether, I expect to get 36 million shillings. And this month,
Muru msajoyo, we Karamoja ewala nnyo yasimba emmwanyi ezo, yasimba emiyembe gyafuna kuva mu Operation Wealth Creation abamagye, kati musajja mugaga owulira byagamba. So nga ali wala nnyo n'enguudo ya chorus. Nolwekyo njagala kwebaza ab'omu Lwengwe, kubanga mbadde mubanga ndabye waliwo abasimba emmwanyi bawerako. Mwebale okuwulira okuwabula kwa NRM ne mutandika okubako bye mukola okujja amaka gammwe mu bwavu. mugende mu maaso ebirala tugenda kwongera ku byogerako walonko ng'okufukirira amazzi kikulu nnyo ebyo byonna tunabyongerako kasita mutandise kikulu nnyo njagala kubebaza kati bw'osimba emmwanyi n'ojja amaka g'omu bwavu gwe ng'omuntu ova mu bwavu naye ne Uganda yonna naye eva mu bwavu kubanga emmwanyi za Uganda kati zeeyongedde edda twafulumyanga ensawo miliyoni 3 kati tufulumya ensawo miliyoni 10 z'emmwanyi mu Uganda yonna obugaga bwa kinoomu kati buyambye obugaga bwa Uganda yonna eryo tafaali eryokusatu NRM lyetadde ku nyumba ya Uganda eryokuna kyekigambo ky'emirimu abatalengera balowooza nti emirimu giri mu gavumenti yes gavumenti erinamu emirimu naye mitono